everybody! Today we are going to start with some movement. We are going to be listening to Street Song. And as we listen to Street Song, we are going to be moving. So you may need to move from where you are right now. I will need to move to have a little bit more room so that we can move to Street Song. Here we go. Find your space. And we're going to start by breathing in. Here we go. And breathing out. 2 fingers, pick up your arm, pick up your other arm. Head, and your shoulders, and your neck. Take one arm, let it go crazy. Jump. How high can you jump? Try to do a really high jump. Maybe you can jump higher than me. Okay, maybe little jumps. How many little jumps can you do? Spin in a circle. Then stop so you don't get dizzy. Go the other way. Okay, now that we have moved, we are going to move on to the next part of our lesson.